besiege, besiege. The army besieged the fortress for months. The media besieges celebrities for interviews. The protesters will besiege the government office tomorrow. Bargain, bargain. They bargained for a lower price at the market. He always bargains before making a purchase. She will bargain for a better deal tomorrow. Blossom, blossom. Her talent blossomed during the art exhibition. The flowers blossom beautifully in spring. His skills will blossom with more practice. Broaden, broaden. Traveling abroad broadened her perspective. He broadens his knowledge by reading books. We will broaden our search to find better solutions. Burden, burden. The responsibility burdened him for years. She burdens herself with too many tasks. They will burden you with unnecessary work. Brighten, brighten. Her smile brightened the room yesterday. He brightens up the atmosphere with his positive energy. The new paint will brighten the living room.